Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today I'll be teaching you how to make chains for crocheting. So first you're going to need a crochet hook, and I am using my eye hook today. And then you will need some yarn, and I will have this yarn and hook listed down below if you're interested. To begin, you will need to make a slip knot, and if you are not familiar with how to make a slip knot, I actually have a video on it and I will have it linked down below. So to begin chaining, you will need to yarn over your hook, and then you will pull that yarn through the loop already on your hook. And you can see you've made one chain and you still have a loop on your hook. So again, you will yarn over and pull that yarn through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, and yarn over and pull through the loop. And as you can see, we have made 5 chains, and then there's still one loop on the hook. And that is how you make chains. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you have any suggestions on future videos, please let me know. And please leave me some feedback on my lighting and my setup and everything, since I'm still new to this. Thank you guys so much, and have a good day.